Hey guys, Jordan from the Wayward Couple. Just thought I'd do another video. Today I'm going to install the GMF diff guard into the MUX behind me. So I'll show you the contents of the kit when you buy it. And then we'll go through and try and work out how to install it. Alrighty, so this is the contents of the kit. The main sensor guard. I got the optional wiring guard as well. A couple of nuts and bolts. And hopefully, things we don't need but are actually quite detailed. The instructions. I've had a quick look. I'll grab the tools out that I think we'll need and we'll go from there. So, these should be the tools you need. You need your ratchet, 14mm socket, extension bar, a set of Allen keys. Hopefully not the 6mm Allen key. Alright, first you'd want to open this, about these nuts with the clips. Which bag doesn't blow away. I'm guessing they go in here. Put them in, squeeze, push. I don't think there's any right and wrong way to do this. I'm sure someone will tell me if there is. Alright. That there. There's one more. I'm going to leave this one because I don't know what side it goes on yet. So we'll just we'll wait and see. Let's slide under and have a look. Alright, this is not the roomiest place in the world, but let's work out where this goes. I believe it sits around there somewhere. So we have to undo this bolt here. You don't undo them all the way, you just loosen them. This one here, and there's one up here. So there's a nut up here and a bolt here. We'll get cracking at that. Hopefully they're the right ones. Alright, first tip I can give you, start off with a decent socket. Stanley ratchet barcode socket. So undo that a few turns, head up to here. Hopefully we can get this one. Well, you can't see anyway, hang on. So there's really not a lot of room up here. Let's add an extension, see if we can give ourselves a little bit more room. There we are. Oh, this ain't just turning, that's just turning. Alright. So there we are. Hopefully the right ones, because they're a bit of a pain. Loosen them a bit. Try not to knock the camera over again. hopefully I think I have to loosen a bit more. Sorry about all the noise and the clanging and banging. So the looser you get it, I suppose, the easier life's going to be for you. Slide it in. And that's it. What I'll do, so that's that. The optional bit goes on the back. We'll try and work out how that goes in a minute. Tighten this up. Tighten up. We'll come back. Alright, I've taken the phone off the gimbal for a sec. Give you a bit better view. How it fits, where it sits. As you can see, there's really not a lot of room around here. I'm trying my best. So I'll go ahead and give that a tighten and we'll work out how to put the next bit on. Alright, for our next trick, we're going to put this plate on those two nuts that we put in there before. It sits somewhere around there. Oops. Did manage to fluke that and maybe get one of these in. It should line up the other one. Somewhere. Alright, that's those two in finger tight. We'll work out where the rest of it goes. Goes on the back. We'll pop around there now. Alright, well here's a trick for young players. I bought this a while ago, assuming it would be the same in for the Dmax and MUX. But if you have a look at this, I had to get the instructions. The Dmax rear diff brake line is a bit different than this. This is solid. The other one just sits over it. So that means we can't put the wiring guard on. Not an issue, it's an optional extra anyway. I'm just gonna have to unbolt it from back here. And yeah, we'll go ahead, unbolt it. If you've learnt anything today, Dmax and MX diffs are different. The main bit fits on, not an issue. I still need to go and grab my torque wrench, torque them up to the correct settings. Other than that, if you're going to do this yourself at home, make your life easier and jack it up. It's quite painful getting in under here. Until next time, please like and subscribe. If you want to keep up to date with what we're doing, I'll be trying to do more videos. Cheers.